True form. Sustainable health. Natural body. Frozen vegetables. Simple, healthy meals you can make every day. Frozen vegetables and frozen fruits are often seen as emergency food, but if you use them correctly, they can become the foundation of very simple, very healthy meals. In previous videos, we explained why frozen vegetables are nutritionally sound and why cooking methods matter for long-term health. Today, I'll show you a few easy meals using frozen foods, all prepared with moist cooking methods. Cooking with water or steam, such as boiling or steaming. These meals are fast, consistent, and easy to repeat. 1. Brown rice with canned mackerel and frozen broccoli. This is one of the simplest balanced meals you can make. Put brown rice in a rice cooker. Add a can of mackerel, frozen broccoli, and water. Then just cook it normally. That's it. You get high-quality protein and omega-3 fats from the mackerel, fiber and micronutrients from the broccoli, and steady carbohydrates from brown rice. Because this is cooked with water inside the rice cooker, it keeps temperatures low and avoids unnecessary chemical byproducts. 2. Greek yogurt with frozen blueberries. This is a no-cook option, but it pairs perfectly with frozen fruit. Take plain Greek yogurt and add frozen blueberries. Let them thaw slightly or eat them partially frozen. If you need sweetness, add a small amount of honey. This gives you protein, antioxidants, and fiber with almost no preparation time. 3. Simple vegetable soup with frozen vegetables. Frozen vegetables are ideal for soups. Add frozen mixed vegetables to water or broth. Simmer gently until cooked through. You can add tofu, eggs, or canned beans for protein. Because soup uses moist cooking methods, boiling or simmering, nutrient loss is minimal and no high heat damage occurs. 4. Oatmeal with frozen berries. Oatmeal is another good base for frozen fruit. Cook oats with water or milk. Add frozen berries during or after cooking. This keeps the meal simple, warm, and easy to digest, especially in the morning. Frozen foods are not a compromise. When combined with simple ingredients and gentle cooking methods, they make healthy eating easier, not harder. If you want to understand why frozen vegetables work so well, check the earlier video where we explain the science behind freezing. And if you want to learn more about cooking methods and health, the previous video covers that in detail. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and start building a healthy, sustainable body with us.